This is a tornado watch. Stay safe. Kyle, do you really think the tornado watch is real?
No, Mom. I think it might just be for another state, or it might just be for like future tornadoes, and they're just warning us about.
It looks really bad out there though. I don't know if we should go check, right?
Yeah, we
That makes
should.
sense. See how bad it looks out here? It's so cloudy.
Yeah, Mom, it does really look cloudy.
We should probably prepare, in case there is a tornado, right? That would be the logical thing to do.
Yeah, that's smart, but we should get some sleep now. Love you.
Night, Kyle. Love you too. I guess I should get some sleep now. So after you're done eating your breakfast, I think we're gonna go to the store, get some meat, some vegetables. I think we need some eggs just in case the storm does hit us.
Okay, yeah, that sounds like a good idea. I'll come with you.
Remember that we only need vegetables, meat, and eggs. Remember that.
Okay, Mama.
Gotta get those veggies. Maybe some watermelon. We definitely need eggs. And the last thing on our list are 2 things of meat in case that we need to get some fast protein for when the tornado hits. You want anything else, buddy?
No, not really, Ma.
I'll check out and you can go sit in the car, okay? Oh my god, Kyle, we have to get home fast. When we get home, I want you to run straight into the laundry room.
Hey, Mom. I'm really scared. I'll listen to you.
Run, Kyle, run. Kyle, come on. In here, in here. Kyle, close the door and get away from the window. Get away from the window! Ah! Kyle! Kyle! Kyle, you're adopted!
What, Mom?